This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. We always like having new batteries to try out, and this one is a monster 20,000 milliamp version from Naztech that you can get exclusively from Mobile Edge online. This has PowerDelivery technology and Qualcomm QuickCharge 3.0 technology as well. You can get 6 times phone recharges from this battery. It's 18 watt. That's why they say it's power delivery, because it has at least 18 watts from one of the ports. Has a nice fabric feel on top, like that. And it's actually pretty compact for a 20,000 milliamp battery. We've had others that are this size that are quite larger than this, but this is a quick charge and 18 watt. So here are the different denotations of the different charging ports, as you can see right there, sort of embossed into the fabric. Has an on-off switch right there, so it's a quick tap. And then here are all the ports. So you have your 2 USB-A ports, you have your USB Type-C port right here, that has the power delivery technology, and your micro USB port right there to recharge the device itself. So this is from Naztech. We'll give you some other stats right here. So you can charge 3 devices at one time with the USB-C and the 2 USB-A ports. And this can give you up to 56 plus extra hours of battery life for your device. So here's some more information, and you can pause the video at any time to take a look. It also comes with a recharge cable for the device itself, so that's nice. And this is from Naztech, and you can get this through Mobile Edge. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.